ఫస్ట్ శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు కమిషనర్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ అయిన తర్వాత మన క్లబ్కి రావటం, చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా అంగీకరించడం, ఇక్కడికి రావడానికి వారి టైం స్పేర్ చేసి ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అలానే వెల్ నోన్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్ సాత్విక్, వరల్డ్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ప్లేయర్, ఇవాళ ర్యాంక్ నెంబర్ 1లో ఉన్నారు. ఈ ప్రాంతం నుంచి ఆ స్టేజ్కి రావడానికి ఎంత కృషి చేశారో వారి అకాడమీకి కానీ వారికి కానీ ప్రత్యేకంగా అభినందనలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. Both of them, I am requesting them to become honorary members of this club. I hope they will accept it. తర్వాత మా వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ రంగారావు గారు, ఫార్మర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ కెఎస్ రామారావు గారు, ముళ్ళపూడి మోహన్ గారు సెక్రటరీ పెద్దిరాజు గారు, అలానే రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి ట్రెజరరు, స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ కన్వీనర్, అలానే స్పోర్ట్స్ కమిటీ చైర్మన్గా చామండి. He has done doing a marvelous job from last 10 days, either men's tournament or women's tournament. He has spared a lot of time, lot of interest in conducting this national tournament. I especially thank him on behalf of the committee to spare his time and to take the interest to make the event grand success. Alane from last many years, Culture Center FNCC is conducting many programs, particularly from last 2 years, 3 years. Many sports events, many cultural events. All the members are participating. Apart from that, many national recognized players are patronizing this culture center. From this culture center only Sania Mirza or PV Sindhu, all the players have started from here, from last 15 years. I especially thank them and many sports personalities who have given them honorary membership in this club to encourage sports and culture. I thank all the members for their cooperation, and particularly our management committee members and staff to make it a grand success. They are working day and night to look after the players and their all the necessities, whatever they want, either food or accommodation or everything they are looking after. And in this occasion, I thank the sponsors, Venkat Garu and others, who are patronizing this club from many years. Without sponsors, we cannot conduct this type of events, even though we are contributing a lot. But to encourage them, we have to give better prizes. And from here afterwards, I request Chamandi to make this type of events every year, national tournaments, either tennis or shuttle. Like bridge we are conducting every year. Almost this year about 65 teams have come for bridge tournament from all over the world. Like that tennis also every year to make it a national tournament from particular dates and to conduct. I thank the sports committee who is doing day and night, Mazgu and others, their team. They have looked after every minute, all the facilities they have given to the players to make this tournament as grand success. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. Really honored and privileged to be here. I remember I was playing my first senior tournament in 2015. Back then, here in FNCC, I won my first mixed doubles tournament here. From then, my journey has started from here, winning here in FNCC. After 10 years, almost 10 years, I am here sitting opposite side here, and it's been a really amazing journey. Back then, FNCCలో ఎప్పుడు టోర్నమెంట్ జరిగినా కూడా వి నెవర్ యూస్ టు మిస్ ఇట్. లైక్ ఎక్కడున్నా వరల్డ్లో అంటే ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడున్నా అందరూ వచ్చి ఆడుతూ ఉండేవారు. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ హాస్పిటాలిటీ కానీ ఫుడ్ కానీ స్టే కానీ చాలా మంచిగా చూసుకునేవారు. వరల్డ్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్లో కూడా ఇంత మంచిగా పెట్టరు ఫుడ్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ పెట్టినంత. సో ఆ టైంలో ఎప్పుడు మిస్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళం కాదు 2015, 2016లో. దెన్ ఐ హోప్
మ్యాచ్ louder.
It was a good week for me. I mean, I played really good matches. I would like to thank all the sponsors for a wonderful tournament. Like, it was held really well. FNCC for organizing such a big tournament. We rarely see 5 lakhs happening in India, so thank you so much for this opportunity. And it was a really good, well organized tournament by the club. Thank you so much.
Thank you for this, to all the sponsors and everyone who has supported to make this tournament happen. And of course, I would like to thank my partner as well. She had to put up with me a lot this week because I was not ready. And yeah, thank you everyone. And it was a wonderful place, and I really enjoyed this tournament. Thank you.
It was a very well organized tournament. Thank you to all the sponsors. It's the first time such a big tournament is being conducted in Hyderabad. It was a very good opportunity, and thank you so much. In the start of the week, I wasn't very well. I was about to concede my first round. But somehow I played that match, and then the week went really well for me. I loved the weather, and the courts really suited me, I think. So yeah, it was a very good tournament for me.